we have volume, we have rotate. Now let's use volume. You can increase the volume from here, as you can see, and you can equally reduce the volume. Okay, so be free. If you want to reduce the volume, reduce. Want to increase the volume, you can see I just increase the volume. Now I'm taking off the volume. You can see the volume is gone. So you can take out volume so that you will now add voiceover. Okay, you understand? You will learn that later in this video. So some of the video, you can record a video, take the volume out, like remove the volume, now record a voiceover to use for your video, so that you are not using the volume on the sound on the main video, you are using the volume you just of the one you recorded, the sound you recorded. Now what else do we have on that place? We have rotate. Let's rotate our video. Let's see what rotate does. You can see it. Now after rotate, we have filters. You want to add filter to your video, filter, just change the color of the video. You're just changing, that's what filter does. Okay, you can use any of the filter. So some of your content creators use filter and you will think it's their skin color. It's not their skin color. Many of them are using filters. Okay, now you test filters. That's what filter does. If you get the one that really fits you, you pick it. That is what filter does. What else do we have? What else? Adjust. This is another way of doing the filters manually. Okay, you can brighten the brightness, reduce the brightness, the contrast, the saturation. This is another way of doing filter, but this filter now is a manual way of applying filters. So you're applying it as it suits you. What is there again? Voice effects. Okay, now let's change the voice effect. Let's add voice effect. Okay, now I want to change the voice. You can now try another one. Most of your content creators, you see them using some funny voice, a funny sound. That's what they use. This is where they get it from. You have a lot of them there. Just look for anyone that suits you and you can start using it as your permanent voice effect for all your video. Understand? You can use it on, or you can pick a particular one and make it your custom on. So any video you make, you apply it, and that is how you'll be sounding on that video. Okay, that is the way all these things works. Very, very easy. What you see, you think they are magic, they are not actually magical, guys. So this is you editing your video. We are done with the edit, and the next we are going to move to other ones, okay, under edit in TikTok. But today you have learned how to edit your video. We just know that we have only touched edit under the edit section of TikTok.